Hey guys, Jason with Subsonic Waves. This is something that I've wanted to do. This video is something I've wanted to do since I got this sub in. I wanted to introduce you guys to the Platinum line of the Resilient Sound subwoofers. You can see the overview of the whole sub, and all the way down here to the very bottom plate. So as you can see, it's got the chrome bottom and top plates, and this thing is extremely heavy. They're about roughly 75 pounds per sub. But you can see it's got the nice pole vent in the bottom. It tells you that it's a platinum. It tells you that it's 2,000 watts RMS, and it tells you that this is a D1 1 ohm. So this is the 1 ohm version. As you come up underneath this motor boot, you have an FEA optimized triple stack magnet. You've got a 3-inch, 8-layer flat wound aluminum voice coil. It's got the aluminum short ring and spacers in there for better cooling. Let's see. We've got oversized 4-gauge push terminals that lead to the dual sewn tinsel leads attached to 9 1/4-inch quad stacked Nomex progressive spiders on up to the large roll surround pressed paper cone. It's got a super solid dust cap on the top of it. I know that if you're like me, you've seen some that they look solid, but when you get to them, you press them in, they dent in, and you can just tell they're not as high a quality as others. All this leads to a conservative RMS rating of 2,000 watts per sub. And I'm here to tell you right now, I'm running 2 of these in my build. This is actually my 3rd. It will be going into my build as well. But right now I'm running 2 on a Taramps MD12K. And they're taking it as a daily driver. Now, granted, I have the gain dialed back a little bit. I know that's not a volume control, but it's not tuned to its fullest. It's not the best idea, but until I get the stern one in, it's kind of where I'm at. I've also got a bass knob, and I've dialed that back as well a little bit as well, and not a amplifier issued bass knob, but an RCA style bass knob. So that's just an overall view of the Platinum Series subs. If you compare these to some of the other subwoofers in the market that have these same features, you'll find that they're almost double the price of these. These come in at just under $500 per sub. And I mean, even some of the competition that I've seen, a sub that rates like this would cost you anywhere from $900 to $1,100. So for the price, you're getting hellified bang for the buck. I know I've seen a lot of the guys that run Resilient Sounds. They run 5K, 8K as a daily driver to their subs. I'm sure they're not clamping the full 5 or the full 8, but I know that I have seen videos and posts of those that are clamping every bit of 7 and 8K to them, and they handle it all day long. These subs are exactly what they say they are. They are resilient. They will take a beating and keep pounding. So, I just wanted you guys to get a look at this. I wanted you guys to get a chance to see just exactly what you're getting when you go with the Resilient Sounds Platinum Series. And I can tell you from experience, Platinum is not the highest level. It is just under the top level, which is the Onyx, aside from the teams, of course. But in your standard subs, they've got the entry level, which starts at 500 watts RMS. They've got the golds, which go up to 1,000. These platinums that are 2,000, and the onyx that are at 2,500. The difference between the onyx and the platinum are the onyx are made more for SPL, and these are made for a nice mix between SPL and SQL. So they've got a good sound to them. And I'm not saying that's exactly what they were made for, but it just kind of the way it plays out is they work well for sound quality. They sound really good, and they'll tear some stuff up. So if you guys get the chance to check out the Resilient Sounds systems, I highly recommend it. And if you're in the market looking for a new system or a new setup, you might as well get the best bang for the buck and get yourself some Resilient Sounds. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to answer any that I can. And if I don't have an answer, and if I've missaid something here, I don't think I have, but if I have, please let me know and I'll get it corrected. And if I don't know the answer to something, I will definitely find out. Thanks a lot, guys. Make sure to check out my page. It's Subsonic Waves. Right now we do have Black Friday specials. We don't, but Resilient Sounds does. Matter of fact, I think you can get 2 of these, or 2 12s and a Tariamp Smart 3K right now for $614. We can get that for you, and I think the 15s are like $684. Somewhere real close to that, and that comes with a Smart 3K. They've got a few other Black Friday, Cyber Monday specials. So, like I said, if you're in the market, you just let us know, man. We'll get you taken care of. We are an authorized Resilient Sounds dealer here, and you just can't beat it, man. So remember, hit that like button, share the video, make sure everybody you know gets to see this. Thanks again, guys, and I'll have a good day.